In this video, I'm going to show you that how to fix a problem with your text in Windows 10. So it's a simple step-by-step guide if you are suffering with the text-related issues in Windows 10. So let's fix this problem out. In the search bar, we have to type adjust the appearance and the performance of Windows. So now we have three options. Let Windows choose what is the best for your computer and adjust the computer for the best performance. So we will deselect this option and choose the option number 2, that adjust for best appearance. Now after that, what we have to do is click on this option and click apply. Right after clicking apply, we have to restart our computer, and I hope everything gets fixed. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you.